Hey, what's up, guys? Welcome to an episode of PATTAY'S Performance. Today, you guys always hear me talk about drill hog drill bits. I think I must mention them about 2 or 3 times on my channel. They're a made in the USA company, and they're guaranteed for life. So I'm going to show you guys how pretty much easy it is to just warranty out your drill bits. Today I have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 drill bits. Now, because they're a lifetime guarantee, I'll be honest with you, I had to do a lot of framework. Maybe like a couple weeks ago. So in that process, I was just sending them through. Probably a little foolish of me, but it is what it is. I ended up snapping some of the bigger drill bits, and these smaller ones are ones that I just use a lot. And as soon as they dull out, you could tell they snap as well. So really not too bent out of shape. So I'm just going to be without them. Let's see how long it is going to take. I send them via regular mail with a regular postage stamp. So what I do is I wrap everything like so, staple it, and even though I registered my tools per se, I'm going to also put my registration number as well on the package, drop it in the mail, and I'll see my new ones hopefully in about 2 weeks. It's like warranty day today. I also have to warranty out a arc light that I purchased via eBay. I have to warranty out my electric pressure washer that I use, and I also have a couple Milwaukee tools too that need to be warranted. I have never done it through Milwaukee. I've always went to a local repair center here, and they refused to warranty one of my items because they said, look, this thing looks beat to shit. So I kind of said, well, you know what, pal? I'm a union heavy-duty diesel mechanic by trade. I work in the snow, I work in the rain, I work in the sun, I work in the wind, I work in grease, I work in oil. What do you think my tool is supposed to look like? You know? So, whatever. Even though I had the receipt, they didn't really seem interested in it. So, you know what? I'm having problems with my grease gun, and I'm having problems with my ratchet. So, I'm going to drop those off today. I'll include that in the video as well. And then I will do a video for all. I'm not going to break it all up. That's pretty wild. So, that's what I always tell you guys, you know. I'm a big fan of warranties. I like to purchase things with warranty, especially things that I use every day. Drill Hog is a lifetime guarantee. Milwaukee is a 5-year on the tool and 3-year on the battery. So I'm pretty excited. You know what? Really haven't given me any problems over the years, except for like a trigger here and there. My grease gun stopped priming, and my ratchet, it's hard to switch it from on and off. If you guys see me on the channel, I've been using a pair of pliers. So I says, you know what, we're going away, so I'm just going to use the time while we're away for the warranties to kind of work out themselves. So, yeah, let's get this all packaged up, and we'll be right back. And here we go. I just folded it over, stapled it, get my serial number on there. We're going to put it in here. I use lots of tape. Tape is cheap. You know, let me turn my light on in the kitchen. I think I realize I have it on all the way. So yeah, you guys can see I fully enclosed the package with tape, so there's no way the drill bits can move. So on to the next one. Alright guys, so we are good to go. You're probably wondering why this isn't wrapping paper, but here's the deal. It's through FedEx. Fantastic. But the only boxes that I have, because I'm cheap or free, are the ones from the USPS, and I fit the grease gun and the M12 ratchet in a medium-sized flat rate box. So you probably could have turned it inside out. I didn't do that. I just ended up stuffing everything in there. Ironically, funny part is I just finished some English muffins, and I separated the grease tube from the machine, and I stuck the grease tube in the English muffin plastic wrap. And it fit perfectly. So I gave them a grease tube too. I mean, it is what it is. You don't have to. I don't know. But they're going to get everything. They got everything except the charger and the batteries. They just got the tools. I filled out my form online in Milwaukee. You have to do that if you have to create an account as well. I do already have an account. So it was simple as logging in and filling out the form. Pretty simple. and hopefully they said 7 to 10 days. Hopefully, like I said, we're going away, so I'm gonna have to go find the nearest FedEx shipping center. I'm gonna use their website, and we'll go from there. So anyway, so it's a UPS box, USPS box, and I covered it in wrapping paper so I could use the box. So I'll see you guys and everything coming back in. So we got Milwaukee, drill hog, defective light that flashes, and that's it. Oh, and the Greenworks pressure washer. So honestly, I was pretty ticked off about the pressure washer, but they made me call the guy, and I'm like, I already did everything I possibly could. My machine lost its prime. Don't ask me how or why it lost its prime, but it did. I don't know. It works now. I just pressure washed the machine so I could finish painting it. I don't know why it would lose its prime, because I have it constantly hooked up to water. But, oh well. So what they told me to do was disconnect the power, keep the hose on, keep the machine off. I don't know why I said disconnect power. And just squeeze the trigger with the tip removed. And he says you'll bleed all the air out of the system, hook everything back up, and whammo bammo, firing away. So let's just see what the warranty brings, right? We'll load up Mandingo, gonna head to Lowe's, get some arborvitaes, and drop everything off at the FedEx and post offices. I'll see you guys later. Alright guys, so we are back. I don't know how I feel right now. The engine came in for the Arians a lot faster than I thought. Does it come with the stator? I don't think so, but we could add that, I hope. Here's my Milwaukee box. They sent me a brand new grease gun, which I'm cool about. But what I'm not cool about is, where's my goddamn ratchet? Let's see. Let's see what they said. Actually, I'm going to put you guys on. Alright, so here's the deal. The grease gun they replaced at no charge because they couldn't repair it, which is good. But where's my ratchet? I guess I got to give them a phone call. Alright guys, so here's a little update. I just got off the phone with Milwaukee, and they said that my ratchet was denied because they need a proof of purchase. But when you guys fill out, or when you guys send in tools for warranty, you have to submit a form, and then they give you the authorization to send in the tools. And in the form, I included all my Home Depot purchase history. You know, the receipt number and transaction ID. I guess that wasn't good enough. So they needed a physical copy of the receipt, and which I do have, and you should save that too. So I took a picture of it, sent it to them, and let's just see where it goes from there. I have to go through my emails. I didn't get any contact from them saying that the grease gun was good to go and the ratchet was not. So before I go on a rant and rave, I will look further into that just to see if they did reach out to me and I missed it. So until then, see you in a little bit. Alright guys, so late yesterday we got my drill hog drill bits warranty in. So let's see. There you go. So Milwaukee, remember I shipped everything out at the same time. Basically everything came back at the same time except my Milwaukee ratchet. So there we go. Lifetime guarantee. I really don't want to open this because that means I kind of have to keep these together. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Look at this. No questions asked. They just send you new ones. Look at these mamma jammas. And what do Cobalt 7/16? Now these actually look a little bit different than the ones that I have, I think, because mine are gold with black in between. Maybe they switched companies or designs. but we will see. Cobalt 716. And it came with a letter. Let's see what this letter says. I wonder if it's promoting his pig steel again, which I already bought. Let's see what it says. Yes, it's the same exact letter I had from the last time. So, no big deal. Pig steel. Yeah, so it's just what they're doing, I guarantee it, is they're taking my drill bits and everybody else's warranty drill bits, putting them in a pot, melting them, and recasting them. That's their pig steel. But I did not buy pig steel. These are their Cobalt N7 lines. So anyway, always a pleasure. Definitely recommend Drill Hog. I'm going to wrap this video up for now. There's going to be a part 2. Let's see what Milwaukee does, since I just emailed them my receipt yesterday as soon as I got off the phone with them. They did not send me a confirmation email back. Their communication as far as that has not been great, but in the end, it doesn't matter. As long as I get my stuff, I am happy. So, alright guys, I know I said I was going to split this up into 2 videos, but I'm a terrible liar. Work has kept me that way, so we're just going to do one big one. Alright, so after I sent the receipt into Milwaukee, about 5 days later, guess what came in the mail? Let's put you know what this could be, right? This should be a voucher. This is like Christmas. There it is, look at that. Brand new 1/4-inch ratchet. Let's see what the paperwork. Okay, this is supposed to be a service. Yeah, these are service tickets. I guess that's for the pickers and stuff. Let's see what these receipts say. Alright, so if you guys remember, right, I didn't have the serial number, right? But I had the receipt from Home Depot. And remember, the head I couldn't grease. So they have that in there? Nope. Brand new. Let's check out this head. Right? Like butter again. Perfect. Alright guys, that is it. I'm going to wrap this up. So the most important part when you guys purchase your Milwaukee tools, right? Keep your receipts and write down your serial number somewhere, like I have. I'm going to write it down for this one. The other one I did, and I got that a very, very long time ago. Now I'm smart. And that goes with Milwaukee. Drill Hog, great company. I don't know what else to tell you. If you need drill bits, please support them. Alright guys, if you guys found this video helpful, smash the like button, smash that subscribe button. Guess what? I'll see you guys on the next episode of PATTAY'S Performance. Later.